A very strong cold front mixing with warm, moist air right in front of this, tapping into the Gulf. Perfect conditions for some severe weather. Once we start to clear things out, we don't have any cloud cover. Heat's able to escape from the atmosphere, and well, that's what we have right here. Live Doppler 3D still shows clear skies, but off to the west, cloud cover continuing to build in, and yes, that means rain's on the way. I'm going to show you how much we can expect coming up. As we travel to the west along the I-72 corridor, right in Springfield, Sangamon County, a few isolated showers primarily to the north and to the south of Springfield. You'll notice these white lines on there. Those are isobars, or equal lines of pressure, and when they clump together like that and become very close, that's when you get those gusty winds, and that's what we'll see tonight. And that heat, well, we can wave goodbye to that. In fact, right now outside about 39 degrees here in Decatur. Stick around. I'll have another look at your forecast coming up after this. And we have this dry air mass over central Illinois mixed in with very little winds and cool temperatures, perfect conditions for some frost. So a frost advisory from 4 o'clock to 8. About 24 hours ago, models were indicating that low pressure system to stay further to the north, but since it has moved a little bit further to the south and sagged a little bit, that's why we're seeing a few more isolated showers. I kind of want to rewind just a little bit from last night. We had a lot of phone calls in that there was a halo around the moon, and that's exactly what we saw here. A little bit of cloud cover moving in. Satellite and radar shows a little bit of moisture. This is all riding along a frontal boundary. It's a cold front leading edge of cooler air.
Santa's probably enjoying this weather.
I think Santa's going to love Central Illinois.
Have a face mask while he's flying in his
sleigh.
Exactly.
We're going to have mild temperatures today. Very nice. Mild temperatures tomorrow.